Okay, this is my Mitutoyo toolmaker microscope, and I've been trying to clean it, and I don't know the best way to do this. So I'm just going to shut off my top light here. So you can kind of, when it lines up, I don't know if you can kind of see, right? You zoom into it, and it's got like dust inside. Oh, it's hard to even. Don't even know the best way to describe the problem. Anyway, I got dust inside of it. So I know that there's a mirror here, or some kind of something that bends the light. And then there's also this lamp here. So this lamp, I have a little Z. You can kind of see like it's like a squiggly, it's like the filament. And this one's this nice round soft spot, right? So this one's that. So I don't know exactly how to. Two things. I don't know what part to clean. Right, I can pull out the viewfinder, the 15x viewfinder. Oh, that's a little. Can I see it inside there? Anyway, there's a little. You can see there. You can see the crosshair. So when this thing is, you can loosen this up, and there's a little crosshair on top of there that you can actually rotate. And then there's a little vernier scale there as well, that so you can actually calibrate that angle. Very cool device, but I'd like to clean it, and I don't know the best way. Right, I can see inside here that this one's been kind of scratched up, or it's not been taken care of the best. Right, you can see some of the pitting, like somebody put their finger in there and with a couple chips or something. I don't know. So I think I can get, and you can kind of see it, like as you spin that, you can kind of see that those marks. Anyway, if you can help me out, I'd like to know the best way to clean it and the best way to focus that light. If you know where I can get a microscope serviced, I guess that's a thing. Like, do I send the head and all the viewfinders, or do I have to send the whole body? Do I send this for a cleaning? Can I take it off the pillar, and because this comes right off? It's a really nice rack and pinion kind of setup, like it's a cross tooth, very very Japanese design, and then it's got these very fine metric dials on it. So anyway, I'd love to get this thing in tip-top shape, because it's very useful. I was looking at the tip of this little tiny cutting tool. Just, is it end of life? Should I replace it? It's very hard, I'm getting old, and the zoom in lens of a camera just doesn't do this thing justice. This is it. Anyway, help me out.